Mint Mobile versus Google Free. So we're going to compare the data flexibility, the international usage and features of these two platforms in this video. So let's look into the video. So when comparing Mint Mobile and Google Free, both offer competitive prepaid plans with access to T-Mobile's 5G network. Okay, but in terms of data flexibility, Mint Mobile provides four prepaid plans. Okay, which is the 5G, 1520 and or unlimited data plans. So you have these different range of data plans that to choose from. Okay, and all plans are technically unlimited, and once you exceed the high speed data cap, speeds are reduced. Whereas Google Fi on the other hand offers three plans. Okay, they are simply unlimited, unlimited plus and flexible. These simply unlimited plans provides unlimited data with no hotspot capability. Okay, the unlimited plan produces 50 gig of data, and the flexible plan charges around $20 per month. Okay, in terms of international usage, I would say Mint Mobile offers free roaming in Canada, including unlimited talk and text to Canada, and international roaming in other countries is available through the international pass which you need to purchase. Google Fi, on the other hand, provides free texting and data in over 200 destinations worldwide with the unlimited plus plan. Okay, this flexible plan offers pay as you go data at the same rate as domestic usage. Okay, and in terms of the features of these apps, if you when you're using the apps for both of these Mint Mobile app, it offers a straightforward mobile app for managing plans, payments and account settings, and it also supports eSIM activation and mobile hotspot functionality. However, it lacks the advanced features like Wi-Fi calling and integrated device management. Google Fi, on the other hand, it's a robust app with Wi-Fi calling, spam protection and integrated device management. Okay, it also supports eSIM activation and offers a data-only SIM for tablets and other devices. So you can go for Mint Mobile. You can prefer Mint Mobile if you prefer a budget-friendly and prepaid plan with straightforward pricing, and your primarily use in the phone is just US and occasionally travel to Canada, and you don't need any other extensive international roaming or advanced app features, then Mint Mobile is the best option. Or you can choose for Google Fi if you desire like flexible billing and data options, and you travel internationally frequently and you need a reliable roaming service, then Google Fi will be a best option for you. And that's pretty much this. Hope the video was helpful. I'll see you in a new video. Thank you.